you up to, Sparky? Well, you been a good boy. You had a good time outside, didn't you? Back with the lawnmower. How good of a job did I do? It's good for mowing. Got some rust. Alright, let's go put back together this lawnmower. Let's go have a look at the motor. I keep calling it a motor. Engine. Here it is. A 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton flathead motor. I got spiders on me. Spider webs or something. Alright, so let's peel this tape off and then we can really get a good look at what it looks like. Now, granted, this is one of those, like, I don't know if you want to call it one of those crappy paint jobs, but there's no paint under the places. Like, if you take the cover off, you can tell it's not got paint. Kind of paint job. This part doesn't need paint anyway, because it just catches on fire. This is not high temperature paint. Some might be wondering, oh, why'd you just paint the exhaust? It would look better. Well, no high temperature paint can withstand the temperatures that come from this bad boy. I tell you, I know how hot this gets. Get off there, tape. Put a lot of it on there, because this is cheap, crappy tape, and I can't. Paint feels much better. Oh, it's so smooth. It actually feels like powder coat, and it looks like powder coat. I was expecting a lot more fish eyes, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically when you get dirt under the paint, and when you paint over it, it bubbles up like a pimple, and it looks horrible. Once I seen a brand new lawnmower with fish eyes. Painters will know what I'm talking about. But I didn't get any fish eyes, and it's like, looks like powder coat. Might be a little bit there. That doesn't really look like fish eyes. Ooh, it's hot. There you go. Oh my gosh, that wasp's back. Luckily I got spray paint. Big one too. Looks like a tarantula hawk. Get out of here. Oh, eek. Look at it. Look at it. Get out of here, you little piece of junk. Hate you. Why do you even exist? Tarantula eater. It flew away. Oh. You guys couldn't tell by that. I really, really, really hate wasps. Like, I'm talking hate wasps. I'm very scared of them. Alright. Now I just gotta find it, right? I know which one it is. Just wish it was this one. Back, the phone shut off, the tarantula hawk finally left. I'm back, the camera got hot and decided it was just gonna quit on me like this stupid phone always does. Anyhow, look at this. I got the mower together and it looks pretty good. Yes, it is at an angle, not the lawnmower with the camera. Alright, I got gas in it, I got oil in it, let's see if it runs. Hopefully it does. It sat all up on its side and stuff, and well, I saw a water puddle on the top of the flywheel when I was cleaning it off to, I don't know, let's just see if it runs. I can't turn it up a little bit. Right here is the important bits of the engine. Well, I mean by important bits, I mean the carburetor. So, I need to start it up like this to make sure that this moves in the direction I think it's going to move. I think this is no throttle. I don't know. It got automatic choke. I've got an issue. A lot of the footage got lost. So now it's much later. No grass to mow. But you know, I am going to use WD-40 as seafoam. It's a penetrant and it's a 4-stroke engine, so it shouldn't hurt it. And, what the heck, it makes a smoke show. It should be entertaining. There's a little bit to mow, I guess. No, there isn't. Alright, let me get the engine up to temperature, and since I got WD-40, I might as well lubricate the wheels. There. Now it's fired up. Let me put you on the exhaust side. Okay, here we go. The WD-40 is probably going to fall off. I said I wasn't going to paint the exhaust because I don't have any high temperature paint, and this exhaust gets too hot for any sort of high temperature paint. Watch this. Well, that was a terrible example of what I was trying to prove because I'm really bad at spitting. Here's what I mean. Here is no throttle. This is full throttle. It does give it some gas, but this spring just pulls on this, so the governor can still tighten it. But when you give it no throttle, it gets all loose. Small mowing, and this is for when you mow real tall stuff. You just like the grass is choking your mow down. You gotta go, yeah, you want to play like that grass?